only the coolest languages in the world have 3 words for moon. I don't think it's about tonight though. The first word is llun, and it's only ever used when we talk about Moonday or Monday as we now know it. Dydd llun. It's actually cognate with lunar, so llun, L-L-U-N, lunar, as in L-U-N-A-R. I can spell. The next word, and by far the most common, is lleuad. So you'll hear things like lleuad llawn, the full moon. The lle in that actually comes from the same place we get golau, which means light. So the lleuad is something that lights up that night sky for us. And the final word, it's a little bit more archaic these days, is Sawyer. And there's evidence of it over 1,000 years ago as lawyer. We still use it today. Lloeren is a satellite, and you can refer to the moon as a Sawyer. But like I say, lleuad is far more common. Lle mae'r lleuad?